Nice to number 7. Number 7, nagkamadali si number 7 yung set down. Defense, number 7. Isa na lang po ang lamang. Pero na-ice yung number 33. Nakawala rin number 33 ang bola. Number 33, nasa sa ilalim tumira ang best. Wala, nakawala rin number 32. 20, number 22, sa number 22 tumira ang best. Wala, nakawala natin yan, wala. Narina rin number 7. Number 7, number 7 rin naman tumira ng best. Touchdown, Eagles by number 7. Same play na po, 39, 38. Foul number. Sab. Who's foul? Number 10, so first personal foul, second team foul. Wala, nariba ni number 28. Number 28, sorry na agawan. Pinatipod. Number 12. Sinasay namin 42 minutes. Wala. Nariba ni number 7. Grabe. 3 seconds. Number 7. 2 points by number 7. Grabe. 15 seconds shot clock.
Paano malak to?
Number 20, Pibulan. 2 points by number 10. Isa pa ang lamang. Natin is 12. 2 minutes, 41 seconds. 15 to shoot. Wala. Nakuha na po 12. Number 12. Sinabay na po 23. Number 12. Diretso. Nakakuha na foul. Foul number 33. Number 33. Third personal foul. 30 fouls. Substitution.
Sobra, puti! Eh!
First shot, no good. Second attempt, pasok. All 15 na po ang score. 2 minutes, 30 seconds, number 7. Wala ang bola. Nakuha din number 13. Number 13, Tati Shot. Number 17, Tati. Wala. Wala. Number 7, grabe. Triple sa'yo, number 7. Diba? Assist yun, number 7. Team. Number 12, Barak. Nakakakuha ng foul. Foul rate. Foul number 03. 20. Substitution. Number 20, second personal foul. 13 fouls. 2 fouls to give pa. 13 fouls pa lang po. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Remaining time. Number 7, 15 to shoot. Number 13, personal rating. Wala. Follow up na naman. Number 7, people. Score natin, 55. 15. Number 31, 30, wala. Nakuha na number 7. Sino yung number 7? Pinasa. Nakuha na number 7. Pinasa number 7. Defense by number 7. Foul. Foul number 23. Ang number 18. Number 18, first personal foul, warning for penalty.
Sobra lang siya na sobrang.
Bonus shot, pasok. 57-52, dito po ang lamang ng KS Club. Number 7, 4-3, wala. 1 minute remaining time. Number 33, wala na rin. No rebound. Yung number 22, pero nakuha nga ng foul. Yung number 13, third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na po. Seconds remaining time. Pasok. Second shot. Pasok. Tatlo na lang po. 49 seconds remaining time. 15 to shoot. 39 seconds. 10 to shoot. Wala. Nauna pa 33. Foul. Number 12. Number 12. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 31 seconds remaining time. Remaining time. 20 seconds, 15 to shoot, 2 points, number 7. 12 seconds. 2 points, number 33. 2 points, number
17 ha. 17 ha. Kaya naman yung pa rin yung score, hindi na.
wala, nakuha yung number 13. Foul, number 25. Number 25, third personal foul. First team foul.
Lakas!
Wala. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 3 seconds. Violation. Nine minutes, 5 seconds. Remaining time. Number 7. Pinasa kay number 13. Pasok. Wala na rebound ni number 18. Sayang! Sino nakatupin? Kaltungan niya mamaya.
Tamaan?
Pag di po kaya, substitution po. Pag hindi po kaya, palitan po yung player kasi oras po.
Palit na lang. Baka madisgrasya pa.
8 minutes, 17 seconds, remaining time.
Kaya mo lang yan? 56. Kaya?
Kaya.
15 shoot. Nikot, nawala ang bola, nakuha number 18. Pinasa yung number 33. Number 33. Number 33, pinasa yung number 17. Tumira yung ball. Wala pa rin. Yamot. 2 points, number 20. 7 minutes, 45 seconds.
Sige.
Number 7 ay Lunas. 2 points. History. Pero nakuha na ng foul. Substitution. Foul number 33. Warning for graduate. First personal foul. 40 to shoot. People, number 21. Seven minutes, 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wala, na-rebound ni number 20.
Okay.
15 to shoot. Block by number 19. 2 points, number 7. 6 minutes, 33 seconds. Time out. 2 points, number 20. Nakuha number 22 silang sa number 25. Number 25. Foul. Number 7. A block by number 7. Walang foul. 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds. Remaining time. Ay, shot clock. Number 10, Rodrigo, wala. Nakuha number 7. Rodrigo, pinasa. Foul! Number 10. Number 10, first personal foul. Second, team foul. First shot, pasok. Seventy-three, yan, 73. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Nauna pa 21, tumira ito, wala. Nauna pa 19, sinasakay na ba 23, defense number 33. Wala na rebound, para Sailor, substitution. 16 seconds shot clock, 5 minutes, 31 seconds, remaining time for the fourth quarter. Peoples, number 20.
21. Dalawa yun, nakabina ka sa akin. Yan, yan, report ka.
Back and 10, number 31. Yan. Number 31, nagmamadali. Wala. Narito ni number 7. Number 31, takin. Rebe, takin mo, Rebe. Foul. Sabay. Substitution. Who's foul? 7. Number 7, first personal foul. second team foul. Wala, narito ni number 22. Sumirandos, wala. Follow ang number 10. Narito ni number 18. Downton. Number 23, Peter. Sinapal.
Technical foul ka eh.
Ako sa apan na lang. Technical yung bench.
Time out po. KS9.
Diyan kayo mag-usap. Para dito, sa kabila din. Puro kayo report sa labisa, hindi maintindihan. Hindi maintindihan.
Tumatagal po yung laro natin dahil sa kakareklamo ninyo. Coach lang po ang nalapit dito. Coach lang, hindi kasama yung mga players. Back to the ball game. Last quarter na po tayo. Masyado niyong pinapatayan yung referee eh. Ano yung score? May official score po tayo dito. Technical bench. Good na. Number 22, 3 points. Foul. Number 15. Number 15, second personal foul. 13 fouls. 13 fouls pa lang po. Number 18, Tumira, counter, good foul red. Foul number 25, foul, counted. Warning for penalty.
Pabayaan mo na sila. Kabila. Labas yan 4 minutes ha. Time out. Sige. Dead ball. Hindi pag dead ball na.
Pasok. Four minutes remaining time. Wala, Marilani number 7.
Pag dead ball.
Nawala na pa 13. 15 to shoot.
Dead ball, time out.
Time out. KS12.
Julius, anak.
14 to shoot.
Paggamit ng oras.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tira. Nakuha number 10. Number 10. 3 minutes 30 seconds. Now with the steal. Nagbaradala pero binasa yung number 10. Kung masalar ko dito yung pass. Wala. Nakuha yung number 38. Pinasa yung number 10. Number 10. Foul. Number 25. Penalty na po. Number 25. 5 fouls. Graduate na po. Ang number 25. Score natin 82-8. First shot, pasok. May number 10. Oo. Wala, rebound, di number 22. Number 22 pero nakagawa ni number 24. Number 24 nakagaw. Binasa kay number 12. 15 to shoot. Number 12 for 2. Wala, narinig number 12. Wala pa rin. Nakagawa ni number 15. 3 minutes remaining time. Narinig pinagmamagali. Wala, nakakuha ni number 8. Binasa. Bola na KS9. 2 minutes, 40 seconds, remaining time. 28 first personal foul. Third team fouls. First shot, pasok. Pasok. 2 minutes, 30 seconds remaining time. Number 8. Pero naisin nila ito 15. Pinasa inalo na ito 2. Pasok, 2 points. Number 22 is still in number 2. Number 12, 22 again. Pasok ulit. Number 5, binasa number 7. Number 7, binakabayan. Bayan. Same ball. Same ball pa rin. Nice ball. Eighteen seconds shot clock. Number 1, number 22. Last 2 minutes! Number 22, nasa number 15. Wala na ako ng number 7. Bola na KS1. Number 17. Nakakuha ni Taro, naglalabala yung ikot. Pinasa na ba eh? Nawala ang bola. 1 minute 46 seconds remaining time. Number 10 to number 2. Ay 3, tumira lang kasi number 2 wala. Naribolo number 20. Number 15. Ay pwede lang pinasa yung number 22, wala. Nakuha na number 3. 1 minute 30 seconds. Wow! Number 21. Substitution daw. Penalty na po. Time out. Time out. KS9. Both teams, wala na pong time out. Both teams, wala nang time out. Both teams, wala pong tatayo sa bench. Ito lang sa mga bench. Mata-technical na naman kayo parehas. Upo lang kayo. Masyado kayong anonas. Penalty. Penalty na po ang KS9. 2 points to give pa ang KS12. 2 points to give ang KS12. Ito penalty na to. Tiro dalawa. Pasok, unang tira. Pasok ulit. 1 minute 25 seconds. Wala, nakuha na number 3. Nakuha na number 22. Number 21, number 22. Wala, nakuha na number 22. Pinasa number 22. Pasok, number 22. Nice to the net. 2 points, number 12. Seconds remaining time.
Naku!
1 points to give pa po. 40 more seconds, remaining time. 40 seconds, nakuha ni number 8. Magdala number 8. Number 18, wala. Kanya pa rin. 2 points, number 18.
Oras, liwanag. Sige. Ano yan?
30 seconds, remaining time. Wala, nakuha number 3.
Relax.
20 seconds.